evening, students. In this fourth video, we have to see the last part of the story. Story's name is A Lesson in Life from a Beggar and author is Sudha Murthy. Now we will see here. However, what I saw from my window surprised me. Meena described to Sudha, when I looked outside at that time, I was very surprised. I was very astonished. Why she was astonished? The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road because there was no traffic. She was surprised to see the beggar and his granddaughter, they were playing on the road because there was no traffic. They were laughing, clapping and screaming joyously. And they became happy. And they were laughing, clapping and screaming joyously. Means their happiness, it seemed by Meena as if they were in paradise. They were so happy, just like they were in paradise. Paradise means heaven. Their happiness, it was limitless. Hunger and rain did not matter. There was no effect of hunger and rain on them. They were totally drenched and they were happy. And they were totally drenched means here totally wet and totally happy. I envied their taste for life. And she told to Sudha, when I saw their happiness, when I saw their pleasure at that time, really I felt jealous on them. And they became very happy and their enjoyment for life, it was really visible. That scene forced me to look at my own life. And at the first time, I minutely observed to my life. I realized I had so many comforts. My life, it is full with comforts. My life, it is full with different types of gadgets, different types of happiness, none of which they had. But in the comparison of Meena's life, when she compared her life with a beggar, at that time she realized that beggar, he was homeless, no safety, no food, no home. Still, when she compared happiness of a beggar with the happiness of Meena at that time, she thought that really this is the man who is full with happiness. But they had the most important of all assets. And here, asset means here a useful and valuable thing. When Meena started comparison her life with the life of beggar, at that time she thought that her life is full with different types of pleasures, different types of useful and valuable things. One which I lacked, but in my life, what is one important thing it is totally lack? Happiness. They knew how to be happy with the life as it was. The beggar, he realized how to be happy in the life. I felt ashamed of myself and really Meena felt ashamed on her. I even started to make the list of what I had, and really literally she started to make the list of the comfortable things which she has and what I did not have, and really she made the list which things she had and which things she did not. At that time she realized that her life has lot of comforts but no happiness in her life. because she is totally pessimistic lady. I found I had more to be grateful for than most people could imagine. Really, I must say thanks to God. I must show my gratitude to God because God already gives me lot of comforts. Instead of that, I am ready to do complain all the time. That day, I decided to change my attitude towards life, and at that time, Meena decided to change her life. She took an important decision, using the beggar as my role model, and beggar became her role model. And from that moment, she wanted to change her life. After a long pause, she took a long pause. I asked Meena how long it had to be taken her to change. Sudha Murthy asked Meena how long she had taken to change herself. Once this realization dawned means began to realize. Means began to realize. As soon as Meena realized the importance of happiness, she started to change herself. She made beggar her role model, and she realized that God already gives her lot of comforts, lot of things. Crores of people, they have no such type of things, and her positivity increased. She changed her attitude to see towards her life. It took me almost 2 years to put the change into effect, and near about 2 years she took to change her behavior from negativity to positivity, from pessimist to optimist. Now nothing matters, but now her life it is totally changed. All the time she is happy. I am always happy, and from each and everything she is searching happiness. I find happiness in every small things, and now her behavior totally changed. So in each and everything she is searching happiness in every situation and in every person. So she is trying to search happiness in every small things, in every situation and in every person. Did you give any Guru Dakshina to your Guru? I asked. And Sudha Murthy asked her. Did she give any Guru Dakshina to her Guru? She said no. Unfortunately, by the time I understood the things, as soon as I realized the importance of happiness, the importance of life, at that time he was dead, because it took 2 years to change her attitude, and when she realized the importance of happiness, at that time beggar suffered death. But I sponsored his granddaughter to a boarding school as a mark of respect to him. Sponsor means provide funds for a good purpose. Meena wanted to give Guru Dakshina to her role model, but he suffered death. So she sponsored his granddaughter to a boarding school, and by this way she showed her respect for that beggar, and his granddaughter, she continued, she could complete her education with the help of Meena. So this is very beautiful lesson and it teaches many things to us. If we are optimist in life, it is helpful to us as well as it is helpful to the society. Thanks.